Hey guys, Hop here for TFBTV. We are at SHOT Show 2025 over at the PWS Primary Weapons Systems booth, talking to Jason about their UXR rifle. I actually got a chance to shoot this almost like, a couple years ago now. It was in a pretty early state.
It was.
And you guys are now in like full production. Got a lot of models coming out, so we're hoping you could just give us the full story.
That's correct. Thanks for coming here, number one. And
Absolutely.
Welcome to the Primary Weapons Systems booth here at SHOT Show 2025. My name is Jason Kearns again. This is our UXR platform. Still super stoked about it. Came out last year. Launched in 3 different calibers, 223 Wild, 300 Blackout, and 308 Winchester. This year we're going to have some different offerings. Obviously right in front of me you have our 7.62x39. Have a couple different barrel lengths for you that will come out with this, but you know where it's super awesome about it, you got your rock and lock compatibility. So you got your 7.62x39. Obviously you got your creature features of the UXR. You got your manual of arms, much like you will the AR-15, but you've got your ambidextrous charging handle, so you've got manual of arms from the left or right side. Starting front to aft, you've got our in-house made 4150 chromoly vanadium barrels, nitride coated. You've got your expansion chamber, which acts as a venturi system, which will suck all your noxious gases and depressurize your barrel after the first round is fired, so you won't get any of those gases in your face.
It's like the bore evacuator on like a self-propelled gun or something.
Or an Abrams or a howitzer, so you're not going to get any of those noxious gases in your face. So that venturi effect's going to evacuate all of that out the front of your muzzle and not back in your operating system or your face where you don't want it when you're shooting, especially suppressed. So then you're going to have your adjustable valve as well for adverse, normal setting, and suppressed fire. And then you've got what we call our hybrid piston system. So it's not a short punch-it style piston, and it's not like our traditional legacy long stroke either. It's more of a hybrid approach. The heart and soul of the UXR comes in our trunnion. It's a titanium trunnion, and when torqued to the right torque setting, it provides 1,000 pounds of clamping force. So that will provide you ability to exchange caliber to caliber. So you can loosen those bolts 2 full turns. The entire barrel will come out of the front. You can exchange your bolt, exchange your mag well from Stanag to SR25, or you can do the rock and lock, all within 3 screws. So super versatile platform.
So you guys basically have it's a large format gun or a small format gun, depending on how you want to set up the magazine well section and the barrel, and it's all kind of configured right down here at the trunnion?
That's correct. So it's all in the trunnion, and obviously you've got the upper receiver is full billet 7075 T6 billet construction. That is the serialized unit. So you buy one and you're done. So you can go from 308, 6.5 Creedmoor will be launched this year, 6mm ARC will be launched this year. And then you've got your trigger housing will come all the way out of the back through a tongue and groove system, and then you got your takedown pin in the back. Comes standard stock with a Trigger Tech 2.5 to 5, adjustable trigger. So again, if that's not your oyster and you want to, go to a Geisley world and you want to, get a 2-piece design in it, it's also open to that option as well. If you want an extra, pound spring or a wolf spring extra power for your 7.62x39, you can do that as well with the UXR. And then you've got your buttstock feature, which is completely foldable. You got your length to pull adjustment, which is super rad, and obviously your cheek comb riser as well. Completely adjustable, completely modular. The only thing that we didn't completely redesign from the ground up is the trigger and the grip. Everything else is completely redesigned from tip to tail, the UXR rifle.
So you guys are also experimenting with some other rear end options, right? Because so far this is available, rifles, pin and welds, a couple different configurations. By going to like a more modular rear end or Picatinny, you could do a pistol version, allow people to SBR at their own leisure, add braces. So you guys have a couple of different things in mind for, rear ends?
Yeah, we do. So soon we will have our own from PWS clamping modular buttstock option for the UXR, so you can go traditional AR-15 buttstocks.
So yeah, we got this guy up here, right?
Yeah, right behind it. I'll just reach over here and off camera and grab this. So you have our prototype piece. So you've got your MOE SLS here from Magpul. So we really like this option for us too. And again, completely folding, completely modular. And we like this look a whole bunch too. Look for something like this, into the second quarter, beginning of third quarter from us at PWS.
So because you guys have, a modular magwell system, like you're not just limited to STANAG. So if you were doing like a 6 arc or like 338 arc, you guys could maybe make a magwell that's like takes those new Magpul individual carbine mags.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So again, this being, of course, this is the Rock and Lock AK. So this is going to be a 7075 T651 billet construction magwell. The rest of our magwells, they are that polymer. So we can get a new mold opened up and we can just have that as an option as well. Because yeah, there's a lot better options in magwells and magazines for 6mm arc or anything else that we decide to produce down the line. So, again, if we wanted to do something like that, would be no problem at all. Again, that's the heart of what the UXR is the ability to exchange that caliber to something different if you choose to do so.
And that kind of future-proofs you, I guess, because you're not stuck with STANAG and SR25 pattern mags. Like if somebody comes out with a new cartridge and then Magpul comes out with a new mag, you guys are just a mold away from compatibility?
That's correct. And again, the upper receiver being your serialized component, that is your firearm. So you can just exchange your caliber as you see fit.
You guys have like a whole ton of different SKUs already of this because you have multiple calibers, many calibers. You have multiple barrel lengths, muscle device options, that kind of thing. So can you kind of like ballpark a kind of MSRP for just the average of the range?
Yeah, correct. Right now our rifles MSRP, you're looking at $2,600. Of course, minimum advertised price, you'll see them for less out there through lots of distributors, lots of our dealer networks. So again, acquire them within. You can go on our website, buy directly from it, or anybody that RSR sells to, Sport South, or go to your local gun shop and inquire about Primary Weapons Systems. And then if they don't carry us, have them call us. We'll fix that real soon.
Awesome. Jason, thanks for giving us the rundown of the rifle.
Thank you. Appreciate you coming by.
Absolutely. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned. We still got a lot of stuff to do here at SHOT Show 2025 on TFBTV and TFBTV Showtime.